So let's continue with function. So what we have done in function, I think basic of function we have done. Now we'll do the one-to-one function. So what is a one-to-one function? Let's see one-to-one function. So for definition, we can say a function function f from set A to set B. We can say a function f from set A to set B. From set A to set B is said to be one to one if no two element in A are mapped to same element of B, right? If no two element of if no two elements of A are mapped to same element of B, like this. If this is what set A, if this is set B, and here assume this is what a function, and here no two element of A are putting image to the set B, right? So this is not a one-to-one case, right? This is not a one-to-one function. So we can say this is what function A and this is what sorry, it is set A and set B. And there should be one condition. One condition is what that cardinality of B is greater than equal to cardinality of A. Means cardinality of B will be greater. If here there are two elements, so here it should be equal to 2 or more than 2, right? So here it should be equal to 2 element or more than 2 element. So cardinality of this set should be greater than this set A. Clear? This is what a one-to-one function. So till this part it is clear. Yes or not? Okay. Now let's see some of the examples that are related to one-to-one or not. So let me take first one. This is what set A and this is what set B. Set A, set B, and here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are the elements. Now, now this is what a function given. This is a function given. Then tell me this function is one-to-one function or not. Let's see next second one. This is what set A, set B, where elements are 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this is what the case. This is what second diagram. And let's see third diagram.